Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change avatar in ColorBlock Jam using your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open up the ColorBlock Jam application on your mobile device and from the home page, tap on your current avatar at the top left corner. From your profile section, tap on the avatar button and choose a different avatar from the available options. After selecting an avatar, you can tap on the red cross icon at the top right, and once you get to the home section or any other page, you will notice that your avatar has now been changed. So that's how you can easily change your avatar anytime by repeating the steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.